My name is Debrah. I'm mom to 6-month-old Amelia, and this is my husband Jeremy, and we are also parents to our cat Troops. We actually decided to revamp Emmy's room because we felt it was a little bit plain, and we came across Tech and their Lonprotect wallpapers and felt that the designs were very nice and botanical and it suited the look that we were going for. We decided to choose Lonprotect over other brands because it has antibacterial and also antiviral properties. It also prevents mold from growing on it, which is a common problem with a lot of wallpapers. So this is something that gives us a lot of peace of mind. We picked out a palm leaf design for Troops' room so that it also brightens the space. And we also like that it's easy to clean so that we can mainly ensure that the house is sanitary. We would recommend Lonprotect wallpapers to young parents looking to refresh their nurseries and also provide a safer environment for their children to be in. And I do think that it's also a good idea for pet owners as well.